All right. You're all good, brother. Yes, sir. I needed that. Yeah, I feel you. I think I need a session because I'm tight and I'm tired. Yeah, you do look a little bit tired today. Yeah, it was a late night. Well, let me get out of here so you can rest up. 75, right? Got change? Yeah, yeah, for sure I got change. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dude, why do you have so many singles? Oh, just tips from clients. Clients tip you about $100 in singles. Look, I had a late night. You want your $25 or not? 25 singles? Nah, I'm okay. You know what? Keep $25 as tip, and that'll be a tip for this time and for the next time. Cool? Okay. Well, I'll see you next time then, right? Yeah. And just go easy on the whole late night hustle thing, huh?